Children, today we will talk about the brave son of India and a great reformer, Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda's, before talking about Swami Vivekananda, I must say something about his inspiration, his teacher, his guru, Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna was a spiritual leader. He understood religion from his heart and from within. One of his very simple teaching was that all religion meets at the same goal, even their paths are different. Sarvodharma Samanaya. We can see that different religion, though their preachers are different, their forms are different, but all of them are talking about or singing the song of humanity. That is what Sri Ramakrishna said, that love a human being and you will find God within him. He was the priest of Belur Math, where he worshipped goddess Kali, but he also practiced different other religion, and he found out that all religion have the same goal. Swami Vivekananda was greatly inspired by his wisdom, his teaching. The master whom he have taken as the light and has followed him throughout his life. Swami Vivekananda, the brave son of India, represented India when India was under the colonial rule in the World's Parliament of Religion. In the World Parliament of Religion in 1893, which was held in Chicago in America, over there he represented India and he talked about the Vedic religion, the inspiration of Vedanta, one of the oldest religion of the world. And by this, the brave son of India, Swami Vivekananda, brought our religion in front of the world and showed its dignity. Swami Vivekananda wrote several books which not only had religious essence, but it was full of inspiration which could awake the Indian people from the domination of the British rule and could gain them true essence of unity among themselves, brotherhood. To make his work more fruitful, he established Ramakrishna Mission. Through Ramakrishna Mission, he showed the path of humanity, where there is no caste system, there is no high and low, but everyone would get equal respect, equal path, equal ability to learn. He established Ramakrishna Mission, which was giving education, shelter, libraries, and many other places. By this came the new sunrise of India, by the hand of Sri Ramakrishna and his great pupil Vivekananda. Swamiji have taught people to look after others when they are in the greatest trouble. That is why Swamiji have inspired Ramakrishna Mission to go in the time when there is number of natural calamities, like there is a flood, there is an earthquake. They are the one to reach the place. They are the one to help and inspire the young generation to go and save others, be an inspiration for others. Education was always a key of the Ramakrishna Mission. Thank you, children. Hope you have understood.